Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Machalite Ore in Monster Hunter World. Machalite Ore can be found in multiple maps through mining blue outcrops. For this example, we will focus on the Ancient Forest. In the Ancient Forest, Machalite Ore is best farmed by mining outcrops in areas 2 and 3 and 9. Run a simple loop through these zones and mine every outcrop you see. You can also get Machalite Ore from quest rewards, especially early low-rank quests like 2-star The Great Glutton, 2-star Big Brain Bandit, and 2-star Camp Crasher. These quests are a good alternative if you want ore while progressing naturally. And that's how to get Machalite Ore in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.